Hello? Please. Alright, pasok po mga boss. Pasok. Alright. Stuck on you. Got a spirit sound deep in my soul. I just can't feel. I'm stuck on you. Got a spirit down deep in my soul, but I just can't. Alright. Line. I'm stuck mga boss. Alright. Sige, mamaya ko na kayo. I'm stuck on you. You got this feeling down deep in my soul, but I just can't leave. Guess I'm on my way. I needed a friend, and the way I'm feeling now I guess I'm with you, Julia. Guess I'm on my way. Might gotta stay. Oh, like this. Alright. Parang may space. Nakalagay. Alright, mga boss. Kakabang kayo.
Gatas mo, ha?
Alright.
Aroma pala. Gigisingin na ang puso.
Hindi tayo marunong mag-operate, mga boss. Hindi tayo nakapag-live. Alright, ganda ko kayo. Okay, pasok mga boss. Tigil na tayo. Stuck on you. You got us feeling down, tipping my soul, but I just can't feel. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a break, and the way I'm feeling now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. I gotta stay. Stuck on you, then I put you long. I gotta stop for me, she got me home. Guess I'm on my way. It's so hard to say that a woman like you could wait around for me more like me. Guess I'm on my way. I can't stay. Alright, tamsak lang po si Os. Oh, I'm leaving out into midnight train tomorrow, and I know just where I'm going. I've packed up my troubles and I'm throwing them all away. This time, little time, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you, and got a spirit down deep in my soul. I just can't lose. Yes, I'm on my way. Ain't it a friend and a way of feeling now in the sun till the end. Yes, I'm on my way. All right. Maraming salamat. It's OFW. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Chris Wincy. Thank you. At kaya yung ano ko, not enough space for your device. Okay, maraming salamat sa... Dali bigyan ko yun ng jacket. Alright. Chris Wincy, may moderator ka na. Alright, punta natin yung nakapin at kakanta po tayo. Punta po natin yung nakapin. Alright. Maraming salamat sa tamsak. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. Above us only sky. Sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people living a life in peace. You will say, I am dreaming, but I am not the only one. I hope someday you'll be join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine no possession, no need for greed or hunger, no need for greed of hunger. I'd rather hold open. Imagine all the people living on the world. You will say I'm a dream, $1 million house, but I am not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Maraming salamat po sa nandyan. Magdikit kayong dalawa pag hindi pa kayo magkaibigan. Alright. Kaya dikitan lang po kayo dyan. I bought a song, so I've got to wait. I live a life of fiction, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing a song, and maybe we would sing. Only when you love me, I want you to sing. While I feel I'm growing older, and a song that I have sung, dikitan po kayo, echo to just time, like a sound of a windmill going around. Magbakas lang po kayo para mabalikan kayo. It will always be soldier for you. Many times I feel of trouble and I look for something new. Day of cold, the night of cold, once without you. But since the tone in my eyes I've seen something new. Just blindness and confusing that you're not here. But I feel I'm going older, and a song that I have sung echo where to just time, like a sound of a wheel me going round. I guess I always be soldier for you. I can hear the sound of a wheel me going round. I guess I always be soldier for you. Alright. Maraming salamat sa harang ha. Kailangan natin yan. No? Thank you very much sa mga harang. Saan OFW po kayo? It's OFW. As I write this letter, my heart giving back to transform my pain. So I'll be in your arms again. The pain I'll do with you, the taste of the sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just want that's wonderful sound. I love you. It's sweet, sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I hear the sound. That's wonderful sounds. I love you. My love, whatever sin we part. Pasok mga boss. I need reassuring of a story I feel in my mind. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. The rest of love's love was tender, strong. I've been away from you so long. Oh, when I'm home, I just wanna hear that wonderful song. I love you, my love, forever singing for you. Alright, maraming salamat po sa mga nandyan.
Hindi na hadlang ang budget sa sapat na senior nutrition.
Maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa. Ang pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan, iwala sa isang kailangan. Dati mong pag-ibig, wala akong pakialam. Basta't mahal kita, kailan pa man. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa man. Mga paliwanag mo hindi na kailangan. At kahit ano ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita, basta't mahal kita. Inisip nila hindi mahalaga, mahal kita maging sino ka man. Mali man ang ikaw ay ibigin ko. Ako'y isang bulan na umibig sa'yo. At kahit ano ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging hustis ka man. Mahal basta't mahal kita. Inisip nila hindi mahalaga, mahal kita maging sino ka man. Alright, 3 million in the house. Maraming salamat po. Magtikitan po kayo dyan. At tamsak lang si house, masaya na. Alright, maraming salamat po. Ganig lang po kayo at magtamsakan lang po kayo dyan. Alright, Rod Stewart, 3 million in the house. Nakitamsak si Hoss, ha? I am sad, I am sad, all again, across the sea. I am sailing a stormy world, to be near, to be free. I am crying, I am crying, like a bird across the sky. I am crying. sing high to be near, to be free. Can you hear me? Alright. Can you hear me? Truth to thought lies far away. Or million in the house, I am crying. So many want to be near. Good evening, ba't kaya hindi pumapasok dito yung ngayon? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Dalawa lang pumapasok dito sa ano? Culture. Or million in the house. Hindi ko makita sir yung kung sino man kayo. No? Pasensya na po. I was crying. Hindi kita na lang po kayo dyan. So be near. To be real. Okay. Alright. 4 million in the house. Pero nakikita ko lang dito. Dalawa lang. To be near, to be free. Ano kaya nangyari dito sa akin? Dalawa lang nakikita ko lumalabas dito mga boss. To be free. Alright, I'm success. May problema mga boss yung ano ko, hindi pumapasok ng ibang ano. I've been wandering early from New York City to the Holding, and I don't look like I ever stopped my wandering. My daddy was an engineer, my brother Freddie had a sister, chick, and lonely was a baby for the guy. And I don't think I never stopped my wandering. I feel the army, walk on the park, and all I got to show the muscle in my eyes. And I don't think I ever stop my wandering. My Martian night when I was young, my tiny chick is sitting here again, and I don't feel the light I ever stop my wandering. Dalawa lang naman ang pasok. Dalawa lang.